Here's the update on the body of the new groundbreaker. After the spray foam, I use some creepy cloth, spray adhesive, and some of the moss I got from Dollar Tree. Built out the rest of it. Can use pool noodles for the rest of the arms. Now I'll show you updates on that shortly. Here is the final product of my new groundbreaker for 2020. Got the finished hand here. Got those from Rotten Prop Works. They were unpainted and not filled with foam, so I filled them and painted them myself and put some creepy cloth, look like moss and stuff hanging. Suit I had from a previous prop, just reused. Same with the shirt. Just dirtied it up. Creepy cloth, good effect on the suit, and some fake moss from the Dollar Tree. And there's, looks like he's got a full chest, which he does all the way down to there. You're not going to see because that'll be on the ground. He'll be reaching out. I'm pretty happy with it. Just got to attach the other hand, but it'll be it'll be going down to the ground. So that's my final groundbreaker. It was fun. Didn't cost me a lot. Hands were $30, like I said. Had the styrofoam head from previous year. I think I got that on sale for like $5 to $8. Costume I had all the other stuff. Just had to put it together in 2 cans of spray foam. And I already had PVC, so that's what you can make. I mean, if you have any questions, comments, thanks for watching as always, and see ya.